Hey everybody, this is Tamika from Esteems, and I wanted to just come today and talk to you all about all the different products that we have and how they work, because I don't think I've ever done that with all the products. But this morning, because we're in Minnesota and it's pretty dry out here, my lips are kind of dry, so I wanted to start off with no scrubs, which is our exfoliant. So you just take this and you put it on. There's pumice in there. Can you see it? And that will exfoliate the lips. Take a napkin, wipe it off, and get all that dead skin off of your lips. So on your tissue, you'll start seeing all the dead skin. Anyways, I want to show that. It's gross. Next, after that, what you would do is you take your vitamin E stick called Make Me Invisible Vitamin E. This is my #1 seller. And you just put the moisture back in. Look at that. It's a cute shine. Extremely moisturizing. It heals the skin from the inside out. It's not just a layer of moisture. It's actually a emollient that helps to completely relieve your skin of dry skin. So you can use it in the morning, at night, or you can just put it in your pocket like I do and use it throughout the day. Like I said, this is our #1 seller. Make Me Invisible Vitamin E Stick. The next thing we have is So Smooth Lip Balm, and this can be used by men or women. All of my products can, but this is definitely something that the fellas like to put in their pockets. All the firemen around here just absolutely love it. It's nice and soothing. It doesn't have the moisture of the vitamin E stick in the way that it would make it look like a gloss, but just a nice balm. And it has a nice glide on it, and it's great for the people in your life who don't really want to wear anything on their lips, but they need something. And the price point is really good for that. That's only $5. Great stocking stuffer, but that is So Smooth Lip Balm. So the next product I want to talk about from Esteems is our lip liners. This one is called Chestnut. A lot of people say they don't know how to use lip liners, and it's really simple, especially with my liners, because they're soft and smooth. So all I do is I start from one side of my lip, and I follow the line. And then I bring the line down. And then I go to the other side, start at the corner, back and forth movements, and then I cross it. See, there's a little cross, the bottom. I'm just following the line. For me, I'm following the line because I'm not trying to correct anything in my lips. If I was trying to correct something, I would go higher than my lip line. Or if I wanted my lips smaller, I'd go underneath my lip line. But this is perfect because you can use these pencils as your lip color. So this is called Chestnut. It's really dark, right? If you wanted, with any of my pencils, you could fill your whole lip in and have that be your lip color for the day. The reason why people choose to do this is because the pencil also allows you to have a long wear. It also helps to extend the life of your lipstick. If you do it with the pencil, filling it in and put your lipstick over it, you'll have a longer wearing time. So that's perfect. Esteems pencils are amazing. All right, so what's next, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. This is our Keep Shining Gloss. And it comes in about 5 different shades. And this one is called Jet. And I still have on my pencil, but I'm going to add a little gloss to it to give it a whole nother look. And as you can see, I'm not covering the whole lip line because I want the lip liner to also be a look. I don't know if that made sense, but Keep Shining's amazing. Super moisturizing, super cute shine, and good for all ages. Okay, so what's next? Let me take off this a little bit. Of course, we have to have one of our original 11 colors in this video. We've got here Monet. Isn't she cute? I love Monet. These are demi mattes, so that means that they are matte, but they're also moisturizing. That's why they're long wearing. Again, everything is plant based, but just a regular lipstick. Keep in your pocket. Demi mattes are also good as eyeshadow and blushes, so don't be afraid to try other things with your products. It goes on easy and smooth. And this is the other thing. You don't have to swipe a lot, your product. 1 or 2 swipes can fill in your top and your bottom lip. That's Monet. So next, we're going to do a liquid matte in the shade of Victoria. So liquid matte means that it goes on like a gloss, like a liquid, dries like a matte within 45 seconds. So here we go with Victoria. Super easy to go on. Still moves. I mix her with all kinds of the other liquid mattes to make my own new shade. She's a red orange. She's kind of bright. But hey, there's nothing wrong with shining bright like a diamond. Liquid matte. It'll dry in 45 seconds. We've got about 8 colors of those. So now if you think that Victoria is too bright, you don't have to change the color. Just get yourself a lip liner again. And make it less bold. And this helps differentiate your lips from your skin. If you have skin tone like mine. It's not the best, but you know, it's a vibe. You can bring it in on the corners. It brought that color down some. Okay, so one of the last products I'm going to show you is Amazement. That's what this is called, Amazement. It's from the Meant to Be collection. So it's very sheer. You can see some sparkles in here, but you don't necessarily see the sparkles on your lips. So if someone likes Victoria, which is again our Make It Last formula, it gets mattified really easily, which I love when I'm doing things all day long. I wear this so that my lipstick doesn't move like at the farmers markets or pop-ups. But sometimes you want a little bit of shine, so you can use the Meant to Be gloss. This is Amazement. And have a new look. So I say all that and I show you all those products to just let you all know that if you're already purchasing Lip Esteem, you are purchasing an excellent product that is good for you and looks good on you. And I just want to say thank you. 2023 is coming up. We're going to be extending our lipstick line in this next year. And we hope that you all come on this journey with us. If you all have any questions and if you're local, stop by the store. We'll customize you your own lipstick look. You know, something that nobody else has. And then also, if you're not in the store, just give us a call, send us a picture, and we'll help figure out what looks would look best on you. Until next year or until later, see you and thank you all for your support from Lip Esteem.